Good morning, friends. How are you? My name is Sanjay Kumar. Yeah, I'm from India. Okay, so let's discuss the topic. Today's topic is, can Amazon continue to grow? What do you guys say? Hey, how are you, man? I've seen somewhere. I've seen you somewhere, right? No. We have seen you. Oh no, have you met somewhere? Okay, yeah, in that leadership training. That's really great. Yeah, that's why I could, mine is very quick. Yeah, you can understand. Okay, so while coming to this training, I was thinking when I have last time about any video or series based on any book, or novel. So, but you will be surprised. I have never bought any video, based on any book or novel. What about you guys? Have you bought any book or video based on any novel? Anyone? Mr. Y? Mr. John? Okay, really great. So, yeah, you have bought. Okay, so which movie or which series? Yeah, Harry Potter. Oh, really great. Harry Potter. That's interesting. That's interesting. Another one, Mr. X. Yeah, so that's a Beautiful Mind. Yeah, that's really great. Those are the both are the movies are really great. Okay, yeah, that's right. So okay, so just I'm wondering, can you suggest the name of the website from where you bought that book, that video? Okay, Amazon. Yeah, really great. So can anyone tell me who is the current CEO of Amazon? Current means, of course, it's a continuous. Since beginning he's the CEO. So I am asking the current CEO. Okay, so Jeff Bezos. Yeah, that's really great. Okay, so I'm going to. So I think this training would be more interactive kind of. So don't think like that. I will be speaking and you will be just silently listening to me and nothing like that. No, so it will not happen like that. We will discuss and we will interact with each other, right? Yeah, okay. So just I'm going to share some pictures or clips of some videos or movies. Just you will have to recognize from which movie they have this clip has been taken. Okay. First one, Beautiful Mind. Yeah, really great. Mr. John, now you can tell me which movie, this clip is which belongs to which movie? Okay. So which movie? Yeah, okay, that's really great. Okay, now this one. Oh, everybody know this is Harry Potter. Yeah, right. Okay. Now, when we are thinking to growing strategy of any company and considering the Amazon is a big organization as of now, right? So, if you will go through the missions of Amazon, so the mission is like we strive to offer our customers the lowest possible prices with the affordable price and with utmost convenience. This is the mission of Amazon. So you can think how simple the mission is. Likewise, if you are going to visions part, the vision part is very clear. Amazon has has vision to reach to the globally. So that's why Amazon started their business since from US. Now they have I think they have approached all countries across the world now. Right. So the vision is like global richness, customer-centric approach, and the widest selection of products. And the main of the objective of the vision is to aiming becoming the best e-commerce company in the world. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now Mr. John will tell when Amazon was established. Okay, 1940? No. Okay, then 1994. Yeah, that's really great. So where they have started their business? Yeah, Seattle, US. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, right. Okay, so can anyone share his views when Amazon was started his business and what was the first business? I'm talking about the segment. Okay, yeah, so that's a book segment. Yeah, they have started their business from the books, and now you can think they have reached all the sectors as of now. And can anyone tell me, have you anyone ordered medicine from the Amazon? No, right. Why? Because Amazon is not targeted, not tie up with the those kind of organizations. But you would be surprised, in 2019 Amazon has tied up with one pharmaceutical company. Yeah, pharmaceutical company. That's right. Yeah, okay. So I'll give you the answers in the coming slides. Okay. Yeah, okay. So growing, while discussing the growing strategy of Amazon, so like whenever we are thinking we have to grow, so we'll have to put something in the in the globalization. We'll have to focus some quick strategy. The strategy could be like innovation. Second could be like digitalization. Yeah, right. And I think both of the strategy, Amazon has followed up, and they are really doing good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And can anyone tell me, I think in 2018, Amazon CEO has announced some, biggest strategy due to which Amazon has, reached 100 million subscribers. What was the strategy? Can anyone? No. So, Amazon has followed, they have announced that they will deliver their product in 2 days, in 2 days, yeah. So that's why, and they have given some additional benefits to their prime customer also. So that's why they have, they could able to reach, 100 million subscribers in, hardly 1 or 2 years. You can imagine. Yeah, right. And a part of that, you would be surprised. Amazon focus has changed from, urban area to rural areas now. And rural, especially those are located in the that developing countries like India. Yeah, so you can imagine, Amazon started their business in China in 2004, but at the same time they started their business in India in 2013. So after 9 years they have reached to India, and now they are targeting the entire population of India. Yeah, that's the rural part also. That's really great. Yeah. Okay. So a part of that, I'm going to share some names. Just you will have to tell us, those names are why we are putting those names on these slides. Okay. So you would be surprised. Yeah, these are names are these are the I think they are the subsidiaries of Amazon, and you would be surprised in very short span they have tied up with more than 40 companies, and currently they have 40 plus subsidiaries, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. So after that, if you have any doubt, I'm just going to share my contact number on the board. You can note that, and we will if you have any specific doubt, we can discuss one to one. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Good luck. Thank you.